Are you tired of spending a fortune on laundry detergent? It seems like the prices just keep going up, and it's getting harder to find affordable options that actually work. Do you wish there was a simpler, more affordable way to keep your clothes sparkling clean? Imagine not having to worry about running out of detergent or spending too much on it. Well, there is. Making your own powdered laundry detergent is easy, inexpensive, and good for the environment. You can customize it to your liking and ensure it's free from harmful chemicals. You can have fresh, clean clothes without breaking the bank. Homemade detergent works just as well, if not better, than store-bought brands. In just a few minutes, you can mix up a batch of powerful homemade detergent that will leave your laundry looking and smelling fantastic. It's quick, easy, and very satisfying to make. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a greener, thriftier way to wash. Your clothes will thank you, and so will the planet. This simple recipe uses just a few common household ingredients. You probably already have most of them in your pantry, or can easily find them at your local store. You'll be amazed at how much money you can save. Over time, those savings really add up, and you can use that extra cash for other things you enjoy. Plus, you'll be reducing plastic waste by ditching those bulky detergent jugs. It's a small change that makes a big difference for the environment. Ready to give it a try? Let's get started. You'll love how easy and rewarding it is to make your own detergent. Before you begin your laundry adventure, gather these simple ingredients. Don't worry, you probably already have most of them in your pantry. 1 cup borax. This natural mineral helps boost cleaning power and fights stains. 1 cup washing soda. Not to be confused with baking soda. Washing soda is a laundry powerhouse that tackles dirt and grime. 1 bar or 1 cup unscented bar soap. Choose a natural soap for best results. Grate the bar for easier mixing. That's it. 3 simple ingredients are all you need to create your own effective and affordable laundry detergent. Now that you have your ingredients assembled, you're ready to embark on a quick and easy journey to making your own laundry detergent. It's time to work some laundry magic. This homemade recipe is not only effective, but also cost-efficient and eco-friendly. This recipe is so easy, you can do it while the washing machine fills up. No need to spend extra time or effort. First, combine borax and washing soda. These 2 ingredients are powerful cleaning agents that will help lift stains and brighten your clothes. In a large bowl or container, mix together the borax and washing soda. Make sure you measure them accurately for the best results. Use a whisk or spoon to break up any clumps and ensure a smooth blend. Next, add the soap. This step is crucial for achieving a fine, consistent texture. If you're using a bar of soap, grate it finely using a cheese grater or food processor. The finer the soap, the better it will dissolve in water. Add the grated soap or 1 cup of pre-grated soap to the borax and washing soda mixture. Finally, mix it up thoroughly. Give everything a good stir until the ingredients are evenly distributed. This ensures that every scoop of detergent will be equally effective. You want to create a consistent powder, so there are no big chunks of soap or clumps of borax. A smooth mixture will dissolve better in your washing machine. That's it. You just made your own laundry detergent. Enjoy the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's in your detergent and how it's made. Section 4. Storing your sudsy creation. Keep it fresh and ready to go. Once you've whipped up your batch of homemade detergent, you'll want to store it properly to keep it dry and potent. Choose an airtight container. An airtight container is essential to prevent moisture from getting in and clumping your detergent. Store in a cool, dry place. Humidity can also cause clumping, so find a cool, dry spot for your container, like a pantry shelf or cupboard. Section 5. The price is right. How much money you'll save. This section will break down the incredible savings you can achieve by making a simple switch. Get ready to be amazed. The savings are not just a few pennies. They can add up to substantial amounts over time. Making your own laundry detergent is not just easy and effective, but it's also incredibly budget-friendly. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a powerful cleaning solution. Compare and contrast. Take a look at the price of your usual laundry detergent. Store-bought brands can be surprisingly expensive. Now, consider the cost of the ingredients in this recipe. Borax, washing soda, and a bar of soap are all you need, and they are incredibly affordable. You'll quickly realize that you're saving a significant amount of money. The total cost of these ingredients is just a fraction of what you would spend on commercial detergents. Savings add up. Think about how often you do laundry. Each load washed with your homemade detergent means more savings. Each time you wash a load with your homemade detergent, you're putting money back into your pocket. Over a year, these savings can be quite substantial. Congratulations! You've just taken a giant step towards a cleaner, greener, and thriftier laundry routine. Your wallet and the environment will thank you. Enjoy the savings, the fresh scent, and the satisfaction of knowing you're doing something good for your wallet and the planet. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved.